Emily, a curious teenager, had just moved into her grandfather's old house with her family. The attic was cluttered with dusty antiques and forgotten memories. One day, while cleaning, Emily found a rusted wooden box with a lock. Carved on its lid were the words, "For forgiving eyes only." With the help of her friend Lucas, Emily broke the lock. Inside, she discovered an old journal, a silver necklace with a blue gemstone, and a bundle of letters. The journal belonged to her late grandmother, Eleanor, who had passed away years ago. In its pages, Eleanor wrote that the necklace held a magical power. Whoever wears it can glimpse one hidden memory from their family's past, but only once. Emily put on the necklace and suddenly found herself in a vivid vision. Her grandfather, young and angry, arguing with Eleanor. Eleanor shouted, "You always judge instead of listening," as her grandfather stormed out. Emily realized this argument had left Eleanor feeling lonely for years. Lucas said, "Maybe the necklace wants to teach you not to judge." Emily used the necklace one last time and saw another memory. Her grandfather, years later, apologizing to Eleanor in the rain. Eleanor whispered tearfully, "Forgiving is hard, but not impossible." Emily learned that her grandfather had apologized before Eleanor's death, but no one knew. She showed the journal and necklace to her father, who cried, "I always thought Dad didn't love her. I was wrong." That night, Emily placed the necklace around her grandfather's photo and said, "I'm sorry I judged you. Now I see love was always there, even behind the fights. Judging is easy, but forgiveness is an art. Never let grudges blind you to the full story. Sometimes the truth isn't what you see, it's what you feel."